Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a cleaning and organizing a little bit my kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys how I organize my drawers of silverware, and then and utensils, and I'm also gonna go ahead and show you guys my night cleaning routine after I cook dinner and we eat. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just adding my Amazon storefront is down below, and I'm gonna try to pop up as much as I can anything that I'm using that is in my Amazon storefront. Some things you can also find at Target and Kohl's, just throwing it out there, but just in case you guys are wondering where you can get it as well. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, you guys have no idea how much I hate this drawer. It's so messy and cluttered, but organized at the same time. So I'm gonna see about this to see if it makes life a little bit easier on Amazon. Not sponsored, I paid for this with my own money. So I need to get it organized. Hopefully it helps. So first I'm gonna take everything out and see what I got. Okay, I already actually pre-washed this, just throwing that out there. Okay. So I do have these spoons that are the same size. So I'm just supposed to put that in there, and it makes sense. It's easier. Okay, so I'm actually going to put these, my favorite spoons, with the knives, and then I'm going to put this spoon in this one. Okay. Let's see what it looks like when I put it inside the drawer. Oh my god, I'm so excited. That looks perfect. Can you guys see? Okay, there we go. Alright. I have these guys that I'm going to quickly wash, and I think I'm going to put them in this little front section right here. Alright, and since we're already here, let's go ahead and tackle this horrible second drawer. This one's such a hot mess. Alright, so I ended up moving a couple things around again, but that is that drawer. So much more organized. This one is out. Pretty self-explanatory. I hate these. I can't wait to paint everything and make it a lighter color. Just in general, it's all in general makeover. Now this one, I don't have anything to organize it with other than this, which I don't think it's really gonna work, but I'm just gonna kind of go through it right now. Okay, so that's actually a lot better than I thought it was gonna come out to be. So all my baking stuff is back here. Knives, wooden ones. So I actually really like that. And it closes nice and smoothly. So again, a walkthrough. I really like this thing though. Put my straws here. I changed my mind a couple times. I just put my straws there. And this one is done as well. I do the cabinets another day, but I do really need, like, this one's not really that organized, but there's not much in there anyways. Alright guys, I got this from Amazon, and I need to organize some of like my sugar, my brown sugar, and all that stuff. Mainly because the holidays, I do use a lot of that stuff to bake. So let's go ahead and get into that. Alright, this is not counting the stuff that I actually have downstairs still. So let me go through it and check expiration dates. You guys, this little itty bitty label maker, so handy. Alright, so I just turned it over to face this way, and it's gonna go right over there. But I don't really have anything to fill these up with yet, so we'll see. Alright guys, this is another day. Just saying, all of these 3 different things were filmed in 3 different days. This was one of guess my night routines. After I'm done with cooking, I have to clean up the floor, and make sure, you know, my baby drops food everywhere. I broom. I always have to light deep clean the kitchen before I go to sleep, because that's my place, so I have to clean my kitchen. So yeah, I always Clorox wipe everything, and then I go ahead and clean it with my Mrs. Meyer's apple cider. That is my favorite scent from them. I absolutely love it. And you know, washing dishes, I do wash my daughter's dishes separately, which I'll show you guys later. But yeah, I can't wait to reorganize all my cabinets again, because they're driving me insane. We might come up with a different plan though for the cabinets, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, I am just, you know, putting things back, cleaning my stove top. I actually need to buy some more of those little cover thingies. I do have them on my Amazon storefront. But yeah, just wiping everything down. I don't want it to stay with those gross oily stains, and nothing's more ugly than having a dirty stovetop. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these guys. I did get these on Amazon. The ones prior to that I actually got at Walmart. But yeah, then cleaning my countertop again. I always do a Clorox wipe first, and then I do my Mrs. Meyer's, and then I wash my daughter's stuff separately, because I don't want her stuff to get all our nasty gunk. You know, go ahead and clean that sink. I'm gonna vacuum. Even though I broomed, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum again, because I'd be finding food all over my house, like rice or whatever she eats, because it's everywhere. Then I go ahead and use my steam mop, which I absolutely love. We have been obsessed with it, and I am steam mopping my kitchen. And yes, I am partially decorated for Christmas. I'm ready. We just gotta do a couple things first for my daughter's playroom, and then we are done. But that's it, guys. That is my nightly quick little routine. I really hope you guys enjoy. Gotta, you know, turn on a candle as soon as you're done cleaning. That is a ritual, right? Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video.